Here's a little glimpse of what Roothy gets up to when he's left alone for too long. She probably thinks she'll be in for a nice relaxed time. Not likely, not if my territory mates have anything to do with it. Quiet drives in the bush and long days down the beach relaxing. Get a load of chiz punting his dual cab. That's what you get when a man knows his machine and his country. Total control. Wonder how his French co-pilot's coping. You can do it. There's just something about 80s. With a bit of lift, they're awesome in the mud. Not that the old 60s that shy. Hey, Si. These things are always easy to come down. Bang, crate, bang, crash, bang. Going up's different.
Yeah, I can do it one-handed, I think. Just have a go over your arms here. So, yeah, today is beautiful weather. What do you reckon? I'm just clocking it straight up and it's just finding its own level. John, I can't hear you. Have you got two hands on the wheel?
Oh, give me a break. It's just hard to go so slow, you know, when you're following these patrols.
Hang on, I'll reverse up. Oh, there you are. Cool.
You're never going to win.
Nah, never going to win. This is a whole different change of terrain, isn't it? It just goes sandy all of a sudden.
Yeah, there is. It's an amazing thing about this country, and considering we're in the high country at the moment, there is a lot of this, a lot more too. We'll experience a bit later on. As it changes rock to sand and then hill climb and then little river crossings, and it's so much fun. How was that, eh? Whoa, that was a bit steep.
You ready for this?
Yeah, it is steep. $8 worth of lawnmower throttle. Is that what it is, off the lawnmower?
Yeah, rover mower.
Again, lost the road for a second there. Good fun, easy.
Ben and Trevor are dancing that GQ up this hill. Nice work, fellas. Nice truck too. I never said that. Now, people come from all over the place for the wedding, but Lucien gets the long distance award. He came from France. Looks like he's having plenty of fun though, riding shotgun with Chiz. Geez, that Triton's a weapon. Penny's having the time of her life punting the big 80. Paul doesn't even look worried.
Do you reckon we should stop the fishing game and drive up the hill? Or continue fishing and go up the hill? Because we're in an 80 series and it's pretty easy.
That's Paige, Dan's 5-year-old. She loves heading bush with her dad.
You got a fish?
Yes!
That's fantastic! I just went up a mountain and you caught a fish!
Yes!
Oh, wow! What was
Oh, go sigh. That's one way to handle a touchy throttle.
We've got wires and all sorts happening here.
You get sloshed in the head every now and then. The overflow of the water tank. After a good day's play in some awesome country, it's time to air up for the drive back to Darwin. Ben looks like he'd much rather be airing down, doesn't he? Geez, we had some fun. Every day, Milo gets a few simple checks. You can hear the other cars getting a check. That's normal. This is visual. Brake fluid. Clutch fluid. Been a bit of an issue lately. She's still too hot, but I can feel it and I know why it's hot. That's because it's full of fluid. Power steer. And oil. Look at that, nothing but the good stuff. Pen right. Okay. And then just a bit of a vis. Check the fan belt. And that's it, ready to go again. I've already looked underneath for the oil drops. If there's more than normal, I might look some more, but there isn't. Just getting ready to hit the tracks. And before we've even left, we've got a Nissan drama. Come and have a look. Hey Ben.
How you going, mate?
I'm really good, mate. Cool truck, but a bit of a problem.
Yeah, it won't give me my beer back.
It what?
It won't give me my beer back.
It's pinched your beer.
Yeah.
Where's the beer? In the back?
In the fridge, but the doors aren't exactly unlocking.
The only fridge worth having up here, I see, at Engel, but the doors won't unlock. What are we going to do about that? Right to rip it off with Milo? I got the winch. You don't need all these doors, man. You only need...
Although the original plan's to actually take it off and hinge it.
Gull wing Nissan.
Because the fridge doesn't fit in the back.
Well, I can see this just going to be a whole day full of fixing the Nissan. An hour later and we're back down behind Adelaide River. Some of the most incredible country on earth. I'll never get enough of this. There's a few hills between us and the river though. Floor of the truck got a wash.
Yeah. Cool feet.
Cool feet.